Hi friends, today we are discussing about a very important examination that is called UGC Net. Many of you may have a general idea about UGC Net, but in-depth knowledge may not be there. So the first question which is coming to your mind would be that what is the purpose of UGC Net or what it is? See, India has got many universities and majority of the university will have many colleges as well. We ourselves will say some of the college the standard is very less and the some of the college standard is very good. And when you list some of the colleges or university, some of them will come at the very top, some of them will come in the bottom level. So when a postgraduate product is coming out from this college or university, how can you equate them? Since everybody is given with a postgraduate degree, say MA in a subject or MSc in a subject, when they go for further higher studies, equating is really becoming a problem. And many a time we have seen some of the top ranking university or the colleges, their marks obtained by the children are very less or maybe comparatively less compared to that of the schools, university or the colleges where we expect the standard is very less. In order to come out this situation, UGC has come with a common platform where every student of India can appear for the test and they will be tested on a common test paper so that a benchmark will be there. So this is certainly a benchmark for the university, this is a benchmark for the college, this is a benchmark for the children as well. So I will certainly believe that this video is very important for faculty members and students who are doing graduation and post-graduation so that will set an example for them and they will themselves understand that where they stand in the industry. Of course, the university and colleges can think that how their students are performing even if when a given platform is given, a common platform is given. So this information is very important. Again, with the information, the issue is UGC Net, the notification has come and I have seen the total notification contains 93 pages. If we expect any of the children to go through this 93 pages, it is just impossible. So that is why we are covering the entire features, whatever it should come to you in maybe into 7 to 8 minutes video, and this is going to certainly help you. So we were talking about UGC Net. So UGC, that is University Grants Commission, is conducting a test among the children to find out their common standard or a benchmark. So first of all, when the benchmark is coming, generally there are three benchmarks coming. Number one, the toppers of this examination will be eligible for JRF, that is Junior Research Fellowship, plus they can become the assistant professor in any college or university and they are cleared the net. So there are three benefits for the toppers, that is JRF scholarship plus net cleared and eligible to become an assistant professor in a college or university. And the second layer, they declare them as eligible to become the assistant professor, that is net is cleared and plus you can do PhD. So the net is cleared and the PhD you can do. The third category is you are eligible to do PhD. So ultimately the benchmarking is in three ways. So it is from top to bottom it is coming. So I said the JRF cleared means it is a top layer. So for that only there is an age differentiation. You should be below 30 years, then only you are eligible for JRF because it is a financial assistance with a view that you will get an admission for higher studies in the top most college or university in India. So it is there you have an age restriction. But for the remaining two, absolutely there is no restriction. Any postgraduate can appear for this one. Even graduate can appear. This I will be explaining towards the end of the video. So now the next question is whether I cleared the JRF, whether I am automatically getting an admission to any college or university. No. You are cleared JRF, so you are eligible to apply for higher studies in a higher education institute or university where they will be conducting an interview. Based on your presentation in the interview, the university will decide whether you are the correct material for them to do the PhD. So, based on there are 70% weightage given to the UGC net mark, and the remaining 30% weightage is given to your performance in the interview. So, once you clear this UGC net examination, you have to search for the university of your choice and decide the subject which you are doing. Then you have to apply the university or the college in time in order to get an admission. And the validity of the net. Actually, once you clear the net, you are already, it is entire lifetime it is valid. But for PhD higher studies, it is valid only for a period of 1 year. That means you have to register for a PhD in the same year itself. But otherwise, eligibility to become an assistant professor, that all, it stands for the entire lifetime. And UGC Net is also a standard for giving some of the national fellowship by the Ministry of Social Justice as well. They give a national fellowship for the students belonging to scheduled caste community. They do give a national fellowship for the students belongs to OBC, for physically handicapped children. So these are all coming as this UGC network is a yardstick for the same. Even some of the PSU are considering the mark obtained in the UGC net for providing even the employment. So that is why the information about this UGC net is very much important for every student and the faculty members. So how to apply? Now the application line is already on. You have to apply online, and the last date for application is 7th November of this year. So before 7th, you have to make an application. What is the eligibility? The first and foremost eligibility is you must be a postgraduate from any university or the college with a minimum mark of 55% or the equivalent. If the grade is given by the university, it is equivalent to 55%. But there is some relaxation of 50% for SC/ST candidates. It is not only actually for the PG. If you are cleared 4-year 8-sem graduation course, you can also appear for the UGC net. But remember, the graduates are not eligible to become the assistant professor. That is the UGC guidelines. So, if you are a postgraduate with 55% mark, or if you are a graduate of 4-year degree of 8th semester, there the mark should be less above 75, then you are eligible to go for UGC net. So for the graduates, it will be helping you to get a scholarship or doing further research. Now about the examination. It is a computer-based test. There is a 3-hour question, that is 150 questions will be there. The exam has got 2 parts. The first part is to understand your aptitude towards the exam or to your studies. So naturally, there will be question on reasoning, there will be question on general awareness, so things like that. So it is a general in nature. So 50 questions will be asked from there only. Remaining 100 question is to test your domain knowledge. Domain knowledge means the subject which you are selected. So entire question, that 100 questions will be coming from the domain or the studies which you have done. So you have to select a subject for net. So whether your subject is coming under this one, certainly of course it will be coming. There are more than 85, 86 subjects. So whatever the subject you studied, it will be the part of the examination. So 100 questions will be coming on that one. And remember, the question will be asked either in English or Hindi. But if it is a language paper, that is if you've chosen say Urdu or you've chosen Tamil or Malayalam, then the question will be in that language only. But for all other part, the questions will be either in English or in Hindi. So you have to, at the time of application, choose your language. Also, you have to choose your center of examination. There is a center in all over India, so you need not worry. Wherever you are going to be, you can select that center. So remember, it is a 3-hour, 150 questions with 2 sections, and the 50 questions coming from the general awareness and aptitude, and the majority, that is of 100 questions, is coming to test your domain knowledge. This is being a benchmark for the students, being a benchmark for the college and the university. I think every effort is to be given to make aware our children about this UGC Net, so that majority can apply for this one and make an attempt. So that is, you will understand where you stand, or the faculty can understand that where your college or the university stand. Thank you very much.